Hi, hello, welcome to Eagle Health. Who can follow two-meal diet? Two-meal diet should be followed by those who are 5 to 15 kilos overweight, and it is also suitable for new diet challenges who are not comfortable to leave this solid food immediately. So two-meal diet rules are as follows. 4 pillars of the program should be followed as it is. You have to take solid food only twice a day. For example, if you take first meal, solid food such as curry, nuts, seeds, cucumbers, carrot, powder of flax and sesame seeds, etc. at 10 a.m., you have to take the second meal only between 6 and 7 p.m., not before that. The rest of the day, whenever you feel hungry, you have to take only liquids like soups, buttermilk, green tea, black coffee, bulletproof coffee, etc. But you should refrain from taking anything that has to be chewed. The items mentioned in point number 2, which I have just told, have to be taken within the given limits only. Nuts, seeds, flax seeds, powder, etc. And taking them is only optional in order to maintain good energy. It is not compulsory. The stored fat in the body starts to burn if we keep our stomach on fasting mode for more than 13 to 16 hours. Hence, it is always advised to have a gap of 12 to 13 hours between 2 meals. All religions like Hindu, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism preached fasting. The intention or motto behind preaching fasting is to keep us stay fit by burning the food fat which is stored in our body. This is observed not only by foreign doctors but also some of the Indian dietitians as well. You have to take fat in chunks with green tea, veg soup, non-veg soup, lukewarm water, lemon or bulletproof coffee, not more than 20 grams each time, in order to maintain good energy levels throughout the day and to avoid loose motions and vomiting. You have to follow the liquid diet if you kind of commit any mistakes during this light program. And definitely, now that you have seen what is a two-meal diet, please follow the two-meal diet. You can also visit Eagle Media Works and Eagle Health for complete information about VRK's two-meal diet, and you can follow it happily to have a healthier lifestyle. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and stay tuned to Eagle Health. Thank you so much.
Like and subscribe Eagle Health and Beauty.